Who wants cuddles? Who wants cuddles? Is it cuddle time? Who wants cuddles? Oh, baby. Merlin wants cuddles. Merlin wants some cuddles, please. Oh, give me my cuddles. I want cuddles and smooches. Ah, Merlin. Little Merlin cuddle time. My baby. My little boy. My little freckle face. That's my puppy. Are you my cuddle monster? Are you my big baby? Who's my big baby bird? Who loves you, Merlin? Who loves you? Cuddle time. Yes, cuddle time. Yes, cuddle time. Don't bite your foot. It's okay. What? What, sweetheart? Oh. Ah ha ha. I got you by the wing. Where are you going? Can I touch that tummy? Ooh, I did. I touched that tummy. Look what I did. Oh ho ho. Ah ha ha. Rough and tough, huh? Are you rough and tough? Uh-huh. No, I don't think so. I think you're a Pookie. I think you're a little baby bird. I think you're a little Tweety bird. I think you're a Tweety. Little Tweety sweetie. Little Tweety sweetie pie. Here's your bucket. What you do with your bucket? Who's got a bucket? What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, baby. Hello. I love you. Hello, you ridiculous bird. I got your wing. Boo, 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 boo. I'm going to poke you in the belly. Ha, 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 ha. Got your belly. I got your belly. Ah, cut it out. It's okay. Get used to it. Things are going to happen and you're not going to get hurt. Nobody's going to hurt my Merlin. No siree. Nope. Can I poke you in the belly again? I love that belly. Ooh, give me the belly. Give me that belly. Ah, okay. That does it too. You are a sweetie booger. Who's a baby bird? Merlin's a baby bird. You're my baby.